What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Market Flow, hosted by me, Mode, and powered by THOR. Today is Halloween, and BTC is either going to throw us some fucking tricks or about to give us a treat. Let's log into the charts and see which. If we go into TAP real quick and we look at THOR for Bitcoin, we currently don't have any 4-hour or daily calls, which not having any calls, not saying anything, says something in itself. Is it saying we already hit the lower support zones and we don't know where our next target is, that we could be going into price discovery? Not saying anything says something in its own. If we zoom in a little closer, though, and look, there's always trades to be made. And if we look, we got 15-minute and 1-hour calls that line up. We also have another 1-hour call that overlaps. So this is saying between 70,170 and 70,600 looks like a pretty strong support zone for Bitcoin. That brings us, right down here, holding us up right above the EMA. So that would be pretty bullish for us to keep printing here. And I don't know. The way market makers make money in a bull run is by leaving people behind. Maybe we're not going to have another big retest. Maybe we're not going to spend a lot of time in this zone testing the all-time highs because we spent 7 months getting back to here. Maybe this is going to be a pretty quick breakout, send us into new territory. If we look at Solana, same thing. No 4-hour calls, no daily calls, maybe just some stuff on the shorter time frame. But what did we say? I've been saying for a very long time now that this is the significant zone that we need to break significantly and hold support again. You can see we haven't been able to break out of it for so long. We never could hold support, and now it looks like we have. We said we needed to break 160 significantly and hold support above it in order to go full bull. Solana is looking like it's ready to go full bull. The new website and interface for TAP here is absolutely clean and amazing. You can filter it into just whatever your assets that you care to look at in. You can filter it down into the time frames you want to look at. Shorts or longs only. It is fucking clean. If we go into TAP a little bit further, maybe you're still not into the trading. Yeah, you see all this on the charts and what we're talking about, fair value gaps, breaks, retests, THOR entries, and take profits. If it's all confusing and you still don't understand how to use this, log in, look at our automated options. Solana USD, Bonk USD about to launch. Jupiter USD has been absolutely printing. Buys low, sells high, all automatically for you. Just lock in your contract, let TAP and THOR go to work. Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, rinse and repeat, all automated. Looking at a good trade that we see incoming, this was brought to us by one of the Frog members in the community. Listen, guys, we have live streams that often go for several hours at a time. These are just quick recaps. But one of the trades that looks like it's still here, we've seen a lot of things leave investment level. There's always trades to be made, but investment opportunities are leaving us. Looking at W, and I think we're going to see a lot of liquidity come over from broken Ethereum. It's just a clunky ass blockchain over to a blockchain made to operate with DeFi and quick and big liquidity. Anyway, we see after we broke the downtrend and filled the zone, W made a quick 80, 90, close to 100% there if you call it the very bottom. And we're now down, finding support and maybe even tapping back into this fair value gap. This is most likely the lowest entry point that we are going to see for W from here on out. When we start seeing protocols and we start seeing uh, uh, companies, tokens, protocols, whatever you want to call them, when we start seeing ones that operate off of fundamentals and not just hype start to do well, that's a sign that the market momentum has changed, that investors are coming back and investors are going risk on. When you see tokens like Link start to fill their zones, find support, make the higher lows and higher highs, this lets you know that fundamentals are coming back. Not just what's hype on Twitter, not what's just people talking about on YouTube, but, real momentum shift has occurred. Frogs fuck, THOR Prints. See y'all next week.